Zoho Desk allows you to organize customer queries effectively using departments. Each department can manage its own agents, channels, emails, and workflows. In this video, let's walk through how to create and manage departments the right way. When your business handles multiple service or types of customer inquiries, departments help you stay organized, improve response time, and assign ownership to the right team. To get started, go to Settings, then General, and select Departments. Zoho Desk create a default department automatically and you can build more based on your needs. Click on new department and enter key details like the department name, logo, display, name for your help center and the agents you want to assign. Next, configure communication channel and department specific email addresses. Set up chat agent, connect web forms, forums, feedback, widgets, or even social media channels, ensuring all queries go directly to the right team. From the agent section, you can add or remove team members and monitor their activity. This helps you keep each department staffed and accountable. Zoho Desk does not allow deleting departments, but you can disable them anytime using the toggle and on the main page. This keeps your system clean without losing past data. Use separate departments for each major service category, like wedding shoes, editing team, or billing. This ensures tickets automatically route to the correct specialists. Well structured departments improve efficiency, enhance agent productivity, and allow your business to deliver faster, more personalized support experience. Creating and managing departments in Zoho Desk is a powerful way to streamline your support operations. By assigning agents, configuring channels, and organizing queries by category, you ensure customers get quick, accurate, and high quality support.